Hey everyone, welcome back to One More Guru. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create custom frames in Canva. First, go to the Canva website and from the left-hand menu, click on Apps. In the search bar, type FrameMaker and select it. Then choose the option that says Generate Custom Canva Frames Easily. From here, you can either use it inside an existing design or start fresh. I'll choose New Design, select Custom Size, and enter 1280 by 720, then open it. Once the FrameMaker loads, you'll see a shape editor on the screen. You can drag the points around to change the shape of your frame. To add a new point, simply double-click anywhere on the shape. You can repeat this to create more points and fully customize your frame. If you want to remove a point, click Remove Point, and small X icons will appear. Just click an X to delete that point and adjust the shape. When you're happy with the frame, click Done, then select Add to Design. Your custom frame will now be added directly to your Canva project. Thanks for watching One More Guru. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.